Now, folks, this kind gentleman here is a city attorney, Sean Breuster. And these are my children, which y'all be seeing them. We're going to make Crawford County famous on YouTube. Now, I came down here and filed a report on that.
Okay.
This, since you are also not only the city attorney, and you are a school board member,
I am.
this is for y'all.
This is something you're going to get to the school?
Oh, yes.
Okay, well, I'm not the custodian of records for the school, okay?
Okay, who is then?
Well, you'll have to take it to the administration building.
Oh,
they'll give it to the right person, okay?
Well, you know they're going to send a police officer down there.
Well, I don't know if they'll do that, but I'm not a custodian of records, so a Freedom of Information Act request to the school needs to go to the admin building.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Okay.
But being that you are on the Alma School Board, you can verify this for me. Under the First Amendment, redress of government, I have the right to come with a complaint to you all and do anything that I need to. Now, they sent a letter under McSpadden before he retired that stated that I was not allowed in that school because of such, according to that letter. With that, no charges were filed, no proof was ever submitted, but you continue to deprive me of my rights. You understand deprivation of rights, do you not, being an attorney?
Mr. Schilt, I've had the pleasure of you addressing the school board several times, so I mean,
I'm going to be down there and address you again.
So I think I don't know that you've been barred from addressing the school board.
No, I'm barred from going in addressing the administration or the principals or anything else when it comes to my children.
Well,
I can't walk into a school and have lunch with my kids without a police officer being there. I have Alma City Police coming into meetings that are private to a parent and the school.
Well, I have no knowledge of that, so I can't speak to that.
Oh, I do. I have plenty of recordings to show such knowledge. Now that it's been brought to your attention, you can speak to that. Would you like to see some of the recordings?
Well, I think you need to go through the administration, the superintendent.
What the next step is, I'm going to file a lawsuit, and you're going to find out I don't need to go to school to be book smart.
Okay, that'll be fine.
Oh, I'm going to enjoy the shit out of this.
So let's get back to what I'm here for, though, as the city attorney. So you filed a police report. What I see here is a bus discipline sheet, and
Yes.
So what's the issue here?
Standing while bus is moving.
Okay.
Your bus driver didn't pull over. He violated Arkansas state statute, which also makes it child endangerment.
Okay.
It's all right for employees under the city administration to go ahead and do stuff as far as the safety of my children. But when addressed on such safety, just like I just found out that you have a zero tolerance bullying in Alma. But nothing was done and nothing was addressed on the issues through the school with my children, while this young lady here, fabulous as she is, was bullied for 3 years in a row.
All right.
See, the thing is, I don't need a law degree to appear in a courtroom.
Okay.
But unfortunately,
No, you don't.
folks, I am a prick.
Okay. And so do you know where on the route this happened?
No, I don't.
Because if it's inside the Alma city limits, I'm your man. If it happens somewhere else, then it goes to the county prosecutor.
No, actually it doesn't, because I've already addressed them and they throw it back in y'all's laps.
Okay.
I have this recorded too. I'm not going to play this tit for tat shit.
Well, that's fine. My jurisdiction is just limited to inside the city limits. So, okay.
Sammy,
So
I told you not to be eaten. You pick that up and you throw it in the trash. Excuse me.
So you've made a police report, and once that's all entered in the system, I'll take a look at it. Did they make a copy of this?
Oh, they don't need it. The school has one. If you want, you can keep that one. You can keep that.
This looks like the original. Are you sure you don't want it back?
No, I don't need it back. I already have this recorded. That's not a problem.
All right. Well, then I'll have this attached to the police report, and we'll check it out.
Okay, here's another question for you. Being that you're the Alma City attorney, when I file my lawsuit here, it'll be in April. Then I got the money. This is what's so beautiful about it. What do I need to do as far as subpoenas go? Don't tell me it's a liability. You can't clue me in on that, because if you all go ahead and say all this crap and you don't teach citizens of the country the law and how they can learn it, maybe if you taught this in school, it would stop a lot of the bullshit going on in this country.
Well, what I can tell you is I wouldn't be your attorney. I'm not going to give you legal advice.
No, I am the attorney. I don't need your legal advice. What I am saying to you is I need to subpoena people. Do I need to bring them myself?
So
or the clerk of courts. Will they direct me in that? See, this
I'm
is
not
the
gonna give you
bullshit
legal
that
advice.
government likes to play, and people when they want to cover their asses on their jobs, folks.
yeah, so I'm not gonna give you legal advice on that.
Okay, well, I'll take care of it, and you can be damn sure y'all will be meeting me again.
All right.
God bless.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Come on, kids. Oh, how's this open, young man?
Push the button right there.
Oh, thank you. And thank you for being so professional. And like I say, you can understand I got children
I understand you
and
get
the
upset with your children.
Constitution.
I understand. I don't have a problem with your work.
God bless you. Have a good day.
Yes, sir.